going to show you, well, I'm gonna read a brief description and show you the website. We are sisters and a dog who are passionate about our online business. HighOh. We ensure that all of our products are quality before sending them to you. We hope that you love and enjoy the products. Thank you. And I'll leave their Instagram, website, business. It comes with a total of 6 period pads. Yes, you wash these. So yes, your stuff will get on here. People are like, well, how do you throw them away? No, because these it's supposed to be good for the environment, because now you're not throwing away those sanitary pads that you normally would on a regular. These are the regular size reusable pads. It comes with a clip on the back, and then you can kind of tighten it if needs to be tightened. It has the HighOh sticker. It don't smell like nothing like chemical wise, but it's supposed to be leak proof. And it comes with a baggie to store them, so meaning if you have to after they're used, that's when they would say for you to actually roll them up, and then from there you would kind of like put the rolled up product into the baggie and then go about your day. And then it's not supposed to have any type of smell with it. It seems for the most part, basically, you have your undies, you put them in a little secret spot, you clip them on, and then from there, it would fit like a normal, I guess, a normal period pad. How about this? I'm about to just put this on her and let it like go. Well, that's how much water we got left. We started off with about this much. That's a lot in there. And then this is the pad. It feels pretty heavy. And no leakage. They do recommend that you wash the product before you actually use it. And I would suggest getting in one of those like scent-free type of detergents. In addition, I've seen people where they said it is good to go inside the dryer, but I've heard people saying that they personally like to let them dry, like air dry. So that's also something to consider. And I'm trying to think what else. It says also they made sure to make a note that says do not wear tight underwear with our HighOh pads. With our pads, like classic briefs, high cut briefs, and control briefs. So like, don't be trying to go around with the phone and you got on the pad, which I hope someone wouldn't do that on a regular day. Doesn't make sense at all. But yeah, those are my first impressions of the product. It seems like a very good reusable pad. I can't wait to try them. They do come in a overnight, where it's a longer pad for people, you know, because when you sleep, stuff go back, you know, for all the women, you know. But they do have, I guess you consider like some super pads. Link it in the description box below. Hey, I'm doing an update on the HighOh period pad starters. I wore them, so I started my monthly the day for yesterday, started them. I can say for the most part, like the things from our checklist, we can say for the part where it says it has no odor, for what I experienced, no. It really more served as kind of like a panty liner. My periods are not that heavy ever since I started being on birth control, so meaning it wasn't a heavy flow. I did notice that it's like a regular pad, so you know, with me being plus size, normally if it's on, it could shift and then it'd be like crimped or whatever, but it wasn't. The leaking part, it really wasn't a lot, so like it necessarily didn't go wrong. Right now, this is my second day, so I mean, this is when my flow is more kind of heavy as time progressed. So we will see, and I'll give an update on how at the end of the day how like I was able to deal with, or if there was any type of leakage. But for the most part, it's comfortable for me because I'm used to wearing pads. It's not like that regular, like you feeling like it's paper. Like, I don't know, like pads to me are never really comfortable. And because I don't like wearing tampons, that's not an option for me. And so this wasn't too bad of not. Like, the only thing I kind of thought about was like, what I'm supposed to do with the pads when I use them? Do you want to wash them every day? I would think you would, because it comes with 6, and I started late, so I only had to use pretty much 2, 3. So at this point, I still have some more, and I think tonight I'm going to wash them and then use them again. Does that make sense? Okay. But yeah, I'll come back with an update for y'all.